Hi, I'm Preeti. I'm from Mylapore Times and we are here at North Mada Street. I'm going to be taking you for a short walk wherein we're going to see the dolls on display for the upcoming Navaratri festival. There are more than about 20,000 dolls here on display, and so I'll be just taking all of you for a walk and we'll have a look at some of the new dolls that have come in for this season. We are outside Radha Gold Jewellers on North Mada Street, and a new item that has come, a new doll that has come up this season is the Kumbhakarna set, the starting price for which is rupees 3,800, and this shop is owned by N. Kumar and his family. Another new doll that has flooded the market is the Krishna, is a baby Krishna being tied to the mortar set, where you have the set consists of 4 pieces, one of baby Krishna, the second of the mortar, and another piece of the butter pots, and another piece of his mother Yashoda sitting there. This item can be purchased outside Anraj Jewellers and is priced at rupees 800 onwards. The shop is owned by Devi. We are outside Angamuttu and Sons Jewellers on North Mada Street, and something for the kids this season is the Motu Patlu set, very famous. They're very famous characters on Nickelodeon, and that is a 7-piece set which is priced, the starting price for which is 1,600 rupees, and this shop is owned by Mr. Arul. In front of Temple Square at North Mada Street, and available in different sizes are the idols of the past president Dr. Abdul Kalam, starting from rupees 800 depending on the size, and the shop is owned by Mrs. Sudha. We are outside Indian Bank at North Mada Street, and another doll that has made its entrance into the markets this year are the idols of Lord Shankaranarayanan and Gomati Ammal, and the deity Gomati Ammal. This is a temple near Tirunelveli, and the idols are available in 2 sizes, and the starting price is 2,300 for both the idols. This shop is owned by Mr. Veeram. We are outside ICICI Bank on North Mada Street, and one of the most popular sports in Tamil Nadu, Jallikattu, has now appeared in the doll form here for the Navaratri festival. The set has about 10 pieces, and the starting price is about 1,700. The shop is owned by Mrs. Lalita.
பொம்மை கடைங்களே